So I've been buying a lot of exercise things because the goal is to continue to lose weight and do that. I haven't quite used too much of the exercise stuff yet, but eventually something is going to hit and it's going to make me want to exercise more. Although I have been using some of those exercise bands and things like that. So what this one here is it's called FireOx Be the Next, and it is a jump rope set. So let's see how this looks. We're gonna open it up together here. I have not looked at it yet, so we're seeing it off for the first time together. So as we open it, comes in a nice little bag, which is kind of nice. All the little exercise stuff I have, so I can stick it in the drawer in the bag and be able to get to it easy. Is there an easy way to open this? No. Trusty teeth usually work for opening the bag. Crunch, 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 crunch. So there we go. So this is what it's like here. So I'll bring it up close. Let me just open up the twist tie. Hate twist tie. So let's see how this works here. So this is the handles. It's pretty lightweight. It's got the little striped stuff there, so you can get a good grip on it. And the black stuff is spongy. The back, it does unscrew. I'm not sure what you'd unscrew it for. Oh, I guess if you want to shorten the string, you could push it through and make it shorter if you wanted to. Cut it and make it shorter. So that's kind of nice that it's adjustable that way. And it's got the little logo on it there, and then here's the rope is just basically a piece of plastic string, and so this is it. I am not going to be able to do that here. I'm going to try it over here. I'm going to move you guys over. Well, I can't, can I? I'm going to try, so we'll see how it goes. So here, now we're facing the wall a little bit. Well, it works, but I hit everything. Back to the green screen. So it works. It works. It works. There's just not enough room in this hotel room for any of that kind of stuff, especially a jump rope, because I'm hitting the roof and I'm hitting the chairs and hitting the desk. But but this is it. You can see the length of it. The length of it is probably, if you want to look at the length, I would say not quite as tall as me, so it's probably 5 feet. It's probably 10 foot from tip to tip. You do that all the way, so if you need to shorten it, you can loosen it up and shorten it, but I don't know, I'm 5'10". It seemed about the right size for me when I was standing up with it next to me, so I don't know. But I like it. It seems good. FireOx, I mean, it's not the most expensive one in the world, but it seems to work. I don't know if I'd be doing it on concrete because it's a thin string, so it might abrade and rub off and get thin or something like that if you start rubbing it on the concrete. But I usually do my stuff inside on the carpet, or usually the carpet. So that's it. So I give this a thumbs up. I'm going to put a link to it in the description, so if you're interested in it, you can buy it yourself. And it's the FireOx jump rope. And thumbs up for me. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And the link's in the description. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye everyone.